You track gold and gold is shining brighter than ever before and it has been continuously doing it. जब भी हमें लगता है कि gold prices अब शायद cool off होंगे तब एक और नया high बन जाता है. Tell us, what are you sensing? Why so much anticipation and why so much of rally is unfolding on gold prices?
So it should be a golden afternoon to you and your viewers. Definitely last year we have seen almost around 26-27% gain in international. Domestically we have seen some duty adjustment, that is why slightly 9% lesser return we have seen, but despite that all asset class has been beat. One thing is very much clear, Sakshi, whenever this type of gold rally start, it would continue to be there for at least 3 to 4 years. We have seen from 2008 to 2011, we have seen in 2020 during COVID, when gold prices was around, let's say 32,000 on domestic market and went up to 56,000. So I think this is just a start, because in last couple of years we have heard about central banks are buying, geopolitical tension, de-dollarization, even since 2022 ETF. That means via mutual fund you can buy gold. So charms are continued to be there, but things have been totally changed from 1st November when Donald Trump has shown his victory in US election, and since 20 Jan when Donald Trump was in office, we have seen the series of tariff war has been started, and in last 40 days itself, we have seen a rally of 12%. So I think the perfect blend, perfect environment is still with gold, and maybe we can easily cross the level of $3,000 mark in international, whereas on domestic side, frankly, I was expecting around 85,000 level mark, but with the fall in rupee to the record level, we still expect in first half itself we can see the level of 90,000 also for gold.
90,000 for gold could be coming in soon. We are already at upwards of 86,360 on the MCX today, and 90,000 cannot be ruled out in the first half of the year itself. So do you also look at 1 lakh level also to be achieved in this year? Will that be possible if we see scaling of 90,000 on gold also, Ajay ji?
Sakshi, I think every level is possible for gold. In 2008, when I got married, gold prices was around 12,000, and I was thinking gold is too costly to buy at this moment. But after 15 years, 16 years, when we see that rate, so I think I was a very numb person to lose that opportunity. So similarly, see, no doubt today 85 seems to be slightly costlier, but frankly, looking to the inflation, looking to the geopolitical tension, even equity market is now making us slightly, we can say, on the top. Even last month there was a deep seek invention in
Yes.
China, and immediately we have seen a sharp correction in equity market. So I think other asset class is slightly on worse to take some correction. Even in crypto, we have seen a correction. So safe haven comes for gold, and I'm still expecting gold to show maybe 90,000 is immediate. But if somebody invest for next, let's say, couple of years, in next 2 years, 1 lakh is a mighty figure we can definitely touch, because rupee weakness is then one more thing, there is a diversification in investment. Previously in 10-12 years back, we used to consume gold, not we used to buy gold, we used to consume gold. That is why, as per World Gold Council, we are India is
Yes.
lying with 29,000 tons of gold. But now people has realized that we can invest in gold via ETFs,
Yes.
via digital gold. So I think physical demand has improved, and investment demand has also improved for gold.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.